Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove style, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by double tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the controls menu. And here we have a couple icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the controls menu and tap on this icon. As you can see, the touchscreen is a bit wonky, but once you tap on the icon, the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing how it looks like, and it gets highlighted, it's brighter basically. So that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And of course, once you're done, you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the controls menu and tap on the icon again. The icon will get change how it looks like basically. It will be crossed out and it will get grayed out, so it's not highlighted anymore, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings, so we can wake up the screen. Okay, then press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Then we can scroll through the menu, find the settings option, tap on it, and here we have the Do Not Disturb. You can tap on it, and now we can tap on the switch to enable the mode or disable it. And of course, once you enable or disable the mode, you can tap on the back icon right here, which is gonna be hard, but because the screen is a bit wonky, but you can basically tap on the back icon to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.